Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Structural Solutions BD. Today I will show you how to install Staadpro software. You already know that a latest version of Staadpro has been released. So why late? Hurry up. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to off the firewall option. From Windows Security, we have to off virus and threat protection if there is any protection in your PC, as there are no active protection, that is why it's showing red mark. If there is any account protection, then you have to off that. It is not mandatory. Main issue is firewall and network protection. Here domain network is on, private network is on, public network is on, but we have to off all the network. Here it should be off. Then private network also it should be off, and public network is also should be off. Okay, so all of the firewall action I have turned off. Now the next stage is you have to unzip all the part. You may unzip part 1, you may unzip part 2, you may unzip part 3 or any one. Then if you unzip only one part, then all the part will be extracted. Now I am extracting the software. Okay, finally is completed. Now we will go to the folder. There are various setup files. So which file we will set up? As we are working about Staadpro, then we will set up the Staadpro. Here click the right button, then you will get run as administrator. Your setup is initializing. Here in the crack file, crack folder, you will get a readme file. Double click here, and here you will get the instructions how you will have to install the software. Here is the procedure, but there are already missed two procedures. I will show which procedures have been missed here. So if you follow my video top to bottom, then hopefully you will not face any problem to install the software. Here I accept end user license agreement. This should be tick mark. Then next. Here there are many options. Firstly Staadpro, secondly RCDC. This is for RCC design. iTwin analytical synchronizer need not to install. Staad Foundation advanced, it may be installed. Now as we will not install this, that is why we have removed the tick mark. Now install. Finally, the setup has been finished. After finishing the setup, here you can see some shortcut key. Basically, we need this shortcut key. And if you want to RCC design, then RCC start foundation, this shortcut may be required. Okay, now click in finish. Now the second stage. Your software is already installed, but you have to patch now. To patch the software, firstly you have to uninstall the connection client. Now I will show how to uninstall connection client. Firstly, you may go to uninstall or change a program. Then in the search list you may type connection. Here we have got the connection client. Click on connection client, then you will get a uninstall button and press the uninstall button. Here a window, pop-up window will come, and then here if we press uninstall, then the connection will be removed from your PC. Okay, finally it has finished. Now click on finish button. Now we will go for next stage. What is the next stage? In the main folder we will get another setup file for connection client. We will have to set up now. Right button and run as administrator. Okay, now it has been finished. Click on finish button. Now the final stage. Here in the crack file we will see the pass. Right button and run as administrator. You will have to open readme file. Here you will get name and password. Just copy and paste. Okay. Here you will get another option, pass. Click on pass. A pop-up window will open. And finally passing done. Now click on exit, close. Now our software is ready for work. So let's go. We will open the Staadpro now. Finally, all of our stage has been closed. Now you can do any type of model here. In my next video, I will show you how to operate Staadpro and how to configure. Today is up to this. To get more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.